Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when iPhone 15 won't enter DFU mode. Device Firmware Update Mode, abbreviated as DFU Mode, is designed to reinstall iOS. It assists users in upgrading or downgrading the device's operating system to troubleshoot serious issues. When your iPhone 15 won't go into DFU mode, it always restarts instead, showing the Apple logo and booting up. This may be due to wrong button presses, low battery power, bad cable, software glitches or malfunctioning buttons. The good thing is that you can easily resolve the issue of the iPhone 15 not entering DFU mode without requiring technical expertise. Here, we'll walk you through 5 fixes so that you can put the device into DFU mode again. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Attempt the official method to put iPhone 15 into DFU mode. To boot into DFU mode, it's required to press the correct sequence of buttons, which varies across different iPhone models. Below are the steps to get into DFU mode on an iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Plug your iPhone 15 into a computer with the latest version of iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder opened. Quickly press then release the volume up key, and volume down key. Next, keep holding the power key on the right. When the screen goes black, press and hold the volume down key while holding the power key. After 5 seconds, let go of the side key while holding the volume down key only. After 10 seconds, your iPhone 15 screen should become totally black showing nothing, then release the volume down key. The program on the computer should quickly detect your device showing it's in recovery mode. This indicates that your iPhone 15 has entered DFU mode properly. Just follow the on-screen instructions to proceed and reinstall iOS using iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder without bootloader. Step 2. Make sure buttons are not stuck or damaged. Over time, buttons can gather debris like magnets, and as more accumulates, it could prevent them from being pressed properly. To rule out if you can't enter DFU mode on iPhone 15 due to this, take off the device's case. Grab a dry and soft cloth to wipe clean the volume keys and side key. Then, gently press the volume keys and side key to check the button's movement. If they are all depressing when pushed, then they function well. Just repeat the instructions and check if you can let iPhone 15 enter DFU mode now. If they are not clicking and seem stuck after cleaning, then bring the device to a service center to repair the buttons. Step 3. Charge iPhone 15 battery. An iPhone 15 refuses to go into DFU mode if its battery is too low. To resolve this, take the charging cable that came with your device in the box. First, connect it into a charger, and then connect the charger to a wall power outlet. Let your iPhone 15 charge the battery for at least an hour. After that, press specific button combination to see if your iPhone 15 goes into DFU mode and stay on it instead of restarting. Step 4. Force restart your iPhone 15 first. When your iPhone 15 isn't entering DFU mode, it might experience a temporary glitch. The easiest way is to simply power cycle the device and clear the minor issues. To force reboot your iPhone 15, quickly press and release the volume up key, then the volume down key. Hold the power key until the Apple logo appears. Then, wait for the restart to complete. After your iPhone 15 starts up, follow the instructions in Step 1 again and see if your iPhone 15 goes into DFU mode this time. Step 5. Use recovery mode to fix the phone. Till now, you still cannot get into DFU mode? Since DFU mode is no longer accessible, why not try recovery mode? It's an Apple official method to troubleshoot the device without loading the operating system. This mode allows users to update the operating system or restore the device back to factory defaults. If you haven't tried this, just attempt the following instructions provided from official support page. Attach your iPhone 15 to a computer with the latest version of iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder installed and opened. To put the device into recovery mode, follow these instructions provided by the official support page. Press the volume up key, then volume down key, and hold the power key longer. Let go of the key when the support interface displays, along with a PC and a cord. Next, go to the computer screen while keeping your iPhone 15 connected to it. In the opening program screen, You'll have the option to update iOS firmware or restore the device to factory settings. We suggest selecting the update option first to fix your device issues while preserving the data. If it fails, ensure you have a backup beforehand and then try the restore option. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 not entering DFU mode. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.